Stacy and I am First Phorm because I believe in hard work and true dedication to be the absolute best version of myself. If I want to feel my best and be the best I can, it takes grit, dedication, and hard work. Each day that I am given is an opportunity for me to progress or regress. Each day is a true gift. I will either make myself better or I will stay complacent. Health and fitness is about serving others. I did not step into this industry thinking it would be all about me, because it is not. It is about every single person I come in contact with. Why I entered the athlete search is because I know what it is truly like to struggle. I never want any female or female athlete to go through the ups and downs that I went through both mentally and physically throughout the past few years of my life. I want everyone to have confidence, swagger, and longevity.